sunshines. I'm gonna be cleaning out my closet. That thing is, I can't even walk in there. I can't walk in here. I need to find a better, it's supposed to be a walk-in closet, but I can't. Okay, are you getting ready for school? What did you do? You need to take a shower, sweet pea. You can't just put on your clothes. You need a shower, you need your underwear, all of that good stuff, sweet pea. I need to clean up out here. I need to clean my dining area. The kitchen is clean. Kitchen is clean, somewhat. And homegirl needs to start some laundry up in here. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I feel good. Today's the only day that I felt good to vlog. All those other days, I was not having it. So I'm gonna vlog today. So I am officially 5 days late today. Yeah, 5 days late. I don't feel good, like 100% myself, but I'm trying. I'm not completely off my effector. What do you need, Papa? Your hair cap? No? You said it's where? Alright, put a towel on and go get it. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. What are you two doing?
I don't know, but she's staring at me. It's creepy.
You gonna have a good day, Emily?
Yeah. Nope. Yes.
Go.
Go.
Go. Wait up.
Yeah. What you doing? What you doing and where you going? Huh? What you doing and where you going? Huh? What you doing and where you going? So, we are just getting back from... Where are we coming from, Jill? Where are we coming from?
In your car.
In my car?
Yeah.
Alright, get in. Get your butt in. Get your butt! We're just coming back from my appointment, my therapy appointment. I have to go to therapy every week. Hi! I go to therapy every week. Every single week. So, I go at 11 and I get out at 11:45. So, I'm a bit early because I can't wait to leave. This week I didn't really have anything to talk about. I'm just the type of person where I don't talk much, but I do have a lot that I go to therapy for. A lot has to do with my childhood and how I was raised and how I want to raise my children. How I plan to raise my kids, I have to be able to first get better in order to raise healthy kids. I'm not a bad mother, but I do have a lot of things that I have to work out with my childhood. Never had the best childhood, but that doesn't mean that, my adulthood is my children's childhood. So I can't let my messy adulthood ruin their childhood, or else they're gonna turn out like me, where they're gonna have messy adulthood raising other children, so the cycle continues. So you have to fix what it is that you're dealing with. You have to fix it now in order to break the cycle. So anyways, I'm gonna buckle this child in and go. Bye.
Say good morning, sunshine.
Good morning, sunshine.
Look at the leaves. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's officially fall, right, Jackson? Jackson's not having it today.
I'm gonna wait a little bit before we get your car, man. This traffic like shit. Come on, buddy.
Go, Papa. That's fine. That's fine. Good morning, sunshines. I can never finish a complete vlog. I'm always half a day, half a something. Just getting back from putting the kiddos on the bus. My hub's at home today. Because I am sicky. Right, honey?
Yep.
So, I'm going to go back and get into bed. Because,
Get back in bed.
yes, you don't know how bad this hurts. Oh, gosh. What do you want to do today?
I don't know. It's such a wet day.
Wet day. I love fall, though. You don't like fall?
Yeah.
I love fall. Fall is like the best time of the year. It's not hot. It's not cold. It's wet, but I love the rain.
My dad was here the whole time.
I told you that man is not a real man.
You know?
Yeah, but he's
No,
not.
because she came down late, like 7:45.
Yeah, he's not a real man. You know, a real man walk their kids to the bus stop.
Yeah, like.
None. Not two.
Yeah, no, he gives not. Yeah.
No, he don't. He gives 0 at those F words. But hubby's home today. Yay! Right, Gio? Gio does not like when Daddy home. He does not get to run the house.
No.
He don't get to do anything. He's like, please go away and go somewhere because I want to run this house. He's like clinging to my leg. He's like, please don't let Daddy say anything to me. Please don't let him uproot my day. Right, Gio? I need to get my toes done. They're looking trifling. It's so pretty. What? I can't even see it. It's really pretty outside. And my skin looks so good. No makeup. Wow. Should be sick more often so I can look this nice. But anyway, this is going to be it for the vlog. I'm done. Not doing anything else. Peace out.